I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Temple Run with friends. While Temple Run is primarily a single-player game, meaning there isn't a direct in-game multiplayer mode to play simultaneously, you can absolutely still enjoy a competitive experience. The key is to focus on indirect challenges and comparing your achievements. Let's dive into how you can make this happen with your friends and have a great time. One of the easiest ways to compete is through high scores. Challenge your friends to beat your personal best, and make sure to share screenshots of your impressive runs for proof. You can even create a simple leaderboard to track everyone's top scores. This friendly rivalry encourages everyone to improve their skills and push for new records, adding a fun, competitive edge to each game session. Beyond just high scores, you can set up creative challenges. For instance, compete to see who can achieve the longest distance run in a single game, or who collects the most coins. You could also race to complete specific in-game objectives or missions. These varied challenges keep the game fresh and provide different ways for you and your friends to test your Temple Run mastery. Finally, engaging with the broader Temple Run community can enhance your experience. You can find forums and groups online where players share strategies, tips, and discuss their achievements. Staying updated on any potential game updates or new versions ensures you're always aware of fresh content. Sharing your own gameplay experiences adds another layer of fun to this classic endless runner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.